So we've done a special bit of piece out here from the Asia Pacific with both strategy and the global sales trading team kicking in on this. And this is basically a cheat sheet, if you will, in regards to kind of North Korea scenarios as well as thoughts on kind of positioning. Now it basically laces out three main buckets, if you will, a kind of a muddle through base case scenario, which is probably what we're in, a bit of a tail risk scenario of actually a peaceful resolution coming through out of a prolonged period of time, as well as obviously the tail risk of nuclear kind of conflict. We've kind of sliced and diced it and tried to just keep it on one page to act more as a catalyst for kind of thoughts and thinking on how your portfolios potentially skewed and geared around this. So there's a few different trades for each of the scenarios, for each actually asset class, as well as also volatility. Now obviously the situation is very fluid. A lot of this also depends on where potentially one could be before one of the scenarios kind of kicks off. So these are just all things to kind of bear in mind. Structurally speaking, the trades that I at least favor, at least from a strategic side, is really the long gold and silver kind of miners, because I think that has plenty of uplift and plenty of room to run over the next few months and quarters, irrespective of what happens in the Korean kind of peninsula. And of course, the overview from that is if something does kick off, it does add a nice kind of hedge to your overall portfolio, especially for those of you out there who do have to stay invested and who do have a bias towards being long in this market.